Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Webull, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Webull app on your device or visit the Webull website. Sign in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by following the on-screen prompts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the portfolio section to view your current investments. Next, find the Market tab to access available stocks and ETFs. Click on Watchlist to add the securities you are interested in tracking. To set up a budget, return to the dashboard and look for the account settings. Select Settings and then choose Budgeting Tools. Here, you can set your financial goals and limits for spending. Input your desired monthly budget in the designated field. Add categories for your spending, such as stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. Use the provided tools to track your investment expenses in real time. Make sure to review your budget regularly to adjust any goals as necessary. Utilize the analytics tools in Webull to assess your spending habits. Seek educational resources within the app for further budgeting advice. Consider setting alerts for major market changes to stay informed on your investments. Continue monitoring your portfolio and adjust your budget accordingly over time. With consistent tracking and adjustments, you will enhance your budgeting skills using Webull. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.